Good morning, students. Continuity for the previous class. Very first question, 2-mark question. What is given? If A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 3, then find question number 1. Find A cross B and B cross A. What is this? A cross B means Cartesian product of A and B. First question, very first question, 2-mark question. Find A cross B. How to find A cross B? What is given? The given two sets are number 1. A is equal to 1, 3, 5. A equal to 1, 3, 5. And another set B is equal to 2, 3. What is find out? First to find A cross B. A cross B. How to product of the given two sets? First, to consider the added pairs. How to find the Cartesian product of A cross B? To create the ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2 and finally 5, 3. This is a Cartesian product of A cross B. To create the ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. Similarly, 5, 2 and 5, 3. This is a Cartesian product of A cross B. What is the another question? B cross A. Find B cross A. First, consider the ordered pairs. First set is B, secondary A. To consider the first set B. Second one is A. To create the ordered pairs 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Similarly, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. First, to find A cross B, next B cross A. One more time repeat how to find the Cartesian product of A cross B. First consider the set A, next another one is B. To create the ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, finally 5, 2, 5, 3. To find the solution of A cross B, this is A cross B. This is Cartesian product or cross product. Another one is B cross A. First element is B. Second element is A. So, how to find the Cartesian product of B cross A? So, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Similarly, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. This is a first 2-mark question. To create, to find the another question. What is the question? Same question, only one clarification. Is A cross B is equal to B cross A? If not, why? To find A cross B and B cross A, already to find the two Cartesian products. These two are equal? No, is not equal. Why? A cross B is equal to 1, 2. What is the first ordered pairs 1, 2? What is the ordered pair of B cross A? First ordered pair 2, 1. These two are same? No. 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. How? Already cleared the topic, ordered pairs. What is the reason? 1, 2 means move horizontally 1 units, move vertically 2 units. What is this? Move horizontally 2 units, vertically 1 units. Which is the same place? Not same. These two are not equal place. So, what is your conclusion? What is my conclusion? A cross B is not equal to B cross A. The solution of second question, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. If not, why? Where 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. Similar way of the other coordinates 1, 3, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3. These A cross B and B cross A are not equal. But number of elements in A cross B, total number of elements in A cross B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of elements in B cross A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but N of A cross B is equal to N of B cross A. Already cleared the results. So, what is your conclusion? Finally, the result is answer of number question 2 is A cross B is not equal to B cross A, where 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1 and so on. That's all. Question number 3. What is the question? N of A cross B is equal to N of B cross A is equal to N of A cross N of B.
நான் இடையில அந்த கையை காமிக்கிறப்ப கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ பண்ணிக்கிங்க. இப்போ இல்லை 23 வரப்போ முடிஞ்சிடும் வீடியோ. 23 முடிஞ்சிடும். அப்போ வந்து சொன்னால் அடுத்த வீடியோ.
Right. Solution number the result number 3. Question number 3. What is the solution? To find the Cartesian product A cross B. How many elements are there in A cross B? Total number of elements is 6. So N of A cross B is equal to 6. N of B cross A is equal to 6. So next, N of A, total number of elements in A, 3. Total number of elements in B, 1, 2. Okay, N of A cross B is equal to 6, N of B cross A is equal to 6, N of A into N of B. 3 2s are 6. So what is your conclusion? The conclusion is N of A cross B is equal to 6, N of B cross A is equal to 6, then finally N of A cross N of B is equal to 6. So these 3 are same value. So what is the result? They verified the result N of A cross B is equal to N of B cross A is equal to N of A cross N of B. Next 2 more question. If A cross B is equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. Then find Then find A and B. What is given? If A cross B is given, the Cartesian product is given. A cross B is equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. What is the question? The question is find A and then find B. What is the set A? What is the set B? How to find? What is given? The given set A cross B is given. A cross B is equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. What is A? How to find sir? The first coordinates of the element, of the every element is A. The first coordinate, the first element of the given coordinates is called the set A. What is the numbers? What are the numbers? 3, 3, 5, 5. 3 is repeated 2 times and also 5 is repeated 2 times. But you write only one time. The number, one number, repeat again and again to write only one time. So, the first elements 3, 3, 5, 5 is called the given set, is called the set A. What are the numbers? 3, 3, 5, 5. So, write 3, 5. Next, find the set B. How to find sir? The second elements of the given coordinates. What are the elements sir? 2, 4, 2, 4. Again 2 is repeated 2 times and also 4 is repeated 2 times. So write only one times. 2, 4. This is to find the set B. What is given? A cross B is given. What is find out? A is find the first coordinates of the given Cartesian product A cross B. So A is equal to 3, 5. What are the numbers? 3, 3, 5, 5. 3 repeated 2 times. 5 repeated 2 times, but write only one time of the given numbers. So A is 3, 5 and B is 2, 4. That's all. Next, another 2 more question. What is the question? The set A is given and one more set B is given. To find A cross B and B cross A. To already studied and worked out the very first sum to find A cross B and B cross A. But the roster form of A is given and also the roster form of B set B is given. But here the first set A is no problem. The second set B, what is the roster form? No. What is this? sir. This is a theoretical form of set. What is given? B is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. X, how to read the given statement? X such that x is a prime number less than 10. What is the vertical line? Such that, how to read, sir? The symbol to mention for such that x such that x is a prime number less than 10. So, what is understanding the given question? The set A is given, no problem. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to what? All the element of x is a prime number less than 10. One question is arranged. What are the prime numbers are there? Any students? Anyone? The prime number is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. You are already studied in the lower sections, lower classes. Prime numbers is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. But what is the given set B? And first of all, understand clear cut what are the numbers in the place of B. What are the numbers, sir? Understand? X is a prime number less than 10. Less than 10. 10 ஐ விட குறைவான numbers. Prime numberல 10 ஐ விட குறைவான numbers யாராவது சார்? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are a prime number less than 10. What are the numbers, sir? 2, 3, 5, 7. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Right. A is already given, B is given, but statement is given, not a roster form. First to convert the given statement is convert to roster form. So x is a prime number less than 10. What are the numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. So to find A cross B, the Cartesian product of A and B, A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. This is similar way of 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7 and finally 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7 to create the ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 and finally 3, 7. This is Cartesian product of A and B. And also find B cross A. B cross A is equal to, first the coordinates of the given ordered pairs. The first element is the set B. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. That's all. To find A cross B and B cross A. Next, 5 more question. Important expected question in your public examination. First 5 more question. What is given? Let the given set A is given, B is given, C is given. 3 sets are given, A, B and C. Verify that. First question, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Second question, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. To find, there are 2 questions. What is this? Already studied in 9th standard. Right. 3 sets are given. Verify that the 2 properties, these left hand side, right hand side are equal. To prove left hand and right hand side are equal. What is the name of the property? These 2 properties are called distributive property. What are the name of the property? This is distributive property. The given question, 5 mark question. The another type of, to create the another type of question, verify that 2 distributive, verify that distributive property. The property is not given, only verify that 2 distributive property. The property to write first of all, next solve the given sum. Right, okay. Here, no problem of the given 5 mark question. The property, distributive property, directly are given. Sometime the given question indirectly verify that distributive properties. So, first of all, to write the 2 distributive properties. So, what is the conclusion? These 2 properties are distributive property. First of all, memory, these two are distributive property. Okay, next, solve the given sum. First, the given set A is given. X belongs to W such that X less than 2. First, understand the given set. What is the form of the given set? This is a set builder form. What is given? X belongs to W. All the elements of X belongs to whole numbers. Belongs to means contains. Which belongs to the numbers. X belongs to the whole number. Whole number is select பண்ணிக்கணும். How to select the whole numbers are? X less than 2. Minimum the number. What are the numbers are? Whole numbers. First consider the whole number. What are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right. First to consider the whole numbers. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is A. Nothing is not A. You select the given condition. What is the condition, sir? X less than 2. ரெண்டை விட குறைவா இருக்கிற numbers. ரெண்டை விட சின்ன numbers. What are the numbers, sir? Smaller of the given number 2. What are the numbers, sir? 0 and 1. So, A is equal to 0, 1. The another given set B is equal to the another given set B is also a set builder form. X belongs to n. The numbers x are natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is B? No. What is the given condition? X greater than 1 less than or equal to 4. X greater than 1 less than or equal to 4. 1 விட பெரிய நம்பர், 4 விட சின்ன நம்பர். What are the numbers, sir? 1 விட பெரிய நம்பர், 4 விட சின்ன நம்பர். What are the numbers, sir? 2, 3, 4 less than or equal to. Equal to means including 4. Missing the symbol equal, excluding the number except the number 1. Except number 1, including number 4. Equal means including the corner numbers. Missing the equal but missing the corner number. 1 is missing. What are the numbers, sir? So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. What is the another set, sir? No problem. The third set C is already the roster form is given. C is equal to 3, 5. You get 1 mark. First to find the set A and B and finally C. There are 3 sets. Is write the board. What is the question, sir? The first question, A cross B union C. Verify that left hand side and also right to find left hand side and also right hand side. These two are equal to prove left hand side and right hand side. First to find left hand side, A cross B union C. Inner side of the parenthesis, to find inner side of the parenthesis. What is find out, sir? First to find B union C. What is this? This is A. What is this? This is parenthesis of inside. This is a 1 set. The total B union C only 1 set. A, this is separate set. A is already to find. What is the another set? B is a separate set, C is a separate set. But here, what is the Cartesian product of these two? One of the set is A, another set is B union C. This is only 1 set. So first to find the Cartesian product of A cross B union C. So B union C is a only 1 set. First to find parenthesis of the inner side, B union C. Join B and C. Join these two. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 repeated 2 times. But write only 1 times is enough. But B union C. To find B union C, join B and C. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is B union C. Next, the left hand side. A cross B union C. A cross B union C. A cross B union C. The Cartesian product of A and B union C. What is A? A is a element of 0 and 1. B union C is equal to what? 2, 3, 4 and 5. To create the Cartesian product of A cross B union C. What are the coordinates? What are the elements to find the coordinates? 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. A and B union C. To create the ordered pairs, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. What is this? This is A cross B union C. The given distributive property of the right hand side, A cross B union A cross C. First to find A cross B, then A cross C, then to find A cross B union A cross C. This is equation number 1. Right hand side. A cross B union A cross C. First to find A cross B. A and B. Create the ordered pairs 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and the another set A cross C, the Cartesian product of A and C. 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Join these two, A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C is equal to join these two. 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3 are same but write only one time. So 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and finally 1, 5. This is result number 2. The first equation equal to what? A cross B union C is equal to 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. The right hand side, A cross B union A cross C, the same one. But what is the conclusion? From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get A cross of B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. The first result is proved. This is 5-mark question. Question number 2. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C or similar way. The another 5-mark question. Next important 5 mark question. Let A is equal to the set of all natural number less than 8. The another set B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. Finally, the third set C is equal to the set of even prime number are given. Verify that the given two result. These left hand side, right hand side are same to prove the given two results. Okay. Right. What are the given sets? What are the given sets? A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Immediately to find A intersection B or A cross C or B cross C, we get immediately find the cross product of A cross C, B cross C, A intersection B are given. First of all, the given sets are in roster form, but here is not a roster form. First of all, the given set to convert the roster form. Here, A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Natural numbers are given. Already you know, the set of all natural numbers, your known numbers, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The another set, B, set of all prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Okay. Third one, the set of all even prime number. Again, the set C is even prime number. How many even prime numbers are there? To clear the first set, A is equal to the set of all natural number less than 8. Less than 8. 8 விட கம்மியா இருக்கிற natural numbers. What are the sets? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is A. The another set. The set of all prime numbers less than 8. What are the numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. The set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Right. The set of all even prime number. You already studied in 6th standard mathematics. How many even prime numbers are there? Only one even prime number. What are the numbers are? The 2 is a only even prime number. So, the set C is equal to only 2. What is the set C? The set of all even prime number, only one even prime number. What is the number, sir? Only 2 is a only even prime number. So, to find the set A, B and C. Next, go to verify the given two results. First of all, to find the 3 sets A, B, C and C. Next, first of all, to find the given 3 sets A, B and C. Verify the given two results. Left hand side and the right hand side are equal. First, to prove the given first property. Left hand side, LHS. LHS equal to what? A intersection B, Cartesian product of C. A intersection B cross C. C is a single set. no problem. Directly is given already to find this set. Anyway, any time to find left hand side, right hand side, to find inner side of the parenthesis. What is the inner side of the parenthesis? A intersection B. A intersection B. Already to find A and B. To find A intersection B. What is the common elements of A and B? Intersection means common elements of the given two sets A and B. What is the common elements? 2 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 is common. The intersection means common elements of the given two sets. What are the common elements? A intersection B equal to what? 2, 3, 5, 7. First to find A intersection B. Then A intersection B cross C. A intersection B cross C. The Cartesian product of these two sets. C equal to what? C only the number 2. A intersection B cross C. What are the coordinates to create? The coordinates are 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. To create the ordered pairs 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. This is left hand side result, which is 1. Right? The right hand side. What is the right hand side? A cross C intersection B cross C. Already well explained. First to find the given property. Inner side of the parenthesis. What is the inner side of the parenthesis? 1 A cross C. The another one is B cross C. First the Cartesian product of A and C. A cross C. The Cartesian product of A and C. The Cartesian, the ordered pair, to create the ordered pairs 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Sorry. A equal to A cross C. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Right hand side of the another inner side of the parenthesis is B cross C. To find B cross C, to create the Cartesian product of B and C, create the ordered pairs 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Next, find the another one is the right hand side. What is the right hand side? A cross B intersection B cross C. Already to find A cross C and B cross C, to find intersection of these two, A cross C intersection B cross C. Intersection means common elements of these two sets. What are the common elements? 2, 2 is common, 3, 2 is common, 5, 2 is common, 7, 2 is common. To see the equation number 1, to find the elements are same. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get the first result is equal, is verified. We get result number 1, A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. That's all. The first result is verified. Verify the second result. What is the question, sir? A cross B difference C. B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. First to find left hand side. LHS. A cross B minus C. To find the left hand side, always, whenever, wherever, first to find inner side of the parenthesis. First to find inner side of the parenthesis. What is the inner side of the parenthesis? B difference C. Very important place. B difference C. How to find sir? First to write B. B equal to what? 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference C equal to what, sir? 2. First to write B difference, next write C. The secondary one is crossed. Which element of in C, in B, eliminate the elements? What is the number? 2. Eliminate 2. The repeated, the remainder numbers 3, 5, 7 are the elements of B difference C. B difference C equal to what? 3, 5, 7. I explained one more time, repeat, to find B difference C. How to find sir? First to write B. What are the elements in B? 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference. What are the elements of C? Elements of C is 2. How to find B difference C? The second set, first to eliminate by cross C. What are the elements in C? The element of C is 2. To eliminate 2 in B. B லிருந்து C ல உள்ள எலமெண்ட்டை எடுத்துரு. B ல உள்ள C யோட எலமெண்ட்டை நீக்கிவிடு. To eliminate of B in the element of C. C ல உள்ள எலமெண்ட் B ல இருந்தா நீக்கிவிடு. The remain elements are 3, 5, 7 is called B difference C. B difference C equal to what? 3, 5, 7. Right? What are the left hand side? To find the left hand side, A cross B difference C. A cross B difference C. To create the Cartesian product A and B difference C to create the ordered pairs 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Similar way is going on to create a Cartesian product of B minus C equal to what? 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Next, to find the right hand side, first to write A cross to find A cross B. A cross B. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, and so on. Next, to find A cross C. A cross C. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Finally, to find A cross B, difference A cross C. A cross B, difference A cross C. Alright, I explained A difference, B difference C. The similar way of to eliminate elements of A cross C in A cross B. The remaining elements are 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, and so on. This is equation number 2. Already to find A cross B minus C is 1. From 1 and 2, we get the result, the second result. A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. That's all. I meet the next class.